Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we have this new BLUETTI portable power stations. Model number is EB3A. This is the latest one, and this is I think this is the smallest one from BLUETTI. It has 268 watt hours LiFePO4 battery, and they have 600 watts outlet, 1200 watt surge, and it recharged from 0 to 80s in 30 minutes. And you can, there's many ways that you can charge up this portable stations, power stations. You can use the AC outlet or the solar panels, but this one, the regular price is $299, and without the discounts that are applied, it comes out to be $200, and it should be around 250 something. Just because I have the gift card and it shows, it brings the balance down to about 214. So, and this one, it will come with the MC4 connector. So to charge this, just make sure you use this. If you have a solar panels that are available, just make sure look on the back for the specifications. Make sure the voltage and everything does not exceed of the power stations, and you should be okay. For the price, you can get free shipping. You probably get it until about a week from now. And this one, I think, is pretty good. I have a couple of them. I have the GoLab, and I got the, I believe it's Apex, in about the same range as this. I think the GoLab, I got it about a lot cheap, like maybe $95, and I think it's at 200 watts. This one is 268 watt hours. So if you just need a little portable one, you know, this is for the price, I think it's not bad at all. Okay, so also today we have Direct Tools. They have many promotions and many discounts. Almost everything is 30% off. So as you know, I love Ridgid, and you know, I always look around for Ridgid deals, and I have bought a lot of tools from Home Depot and this website. A lot of times they're gonna tell you it's a factory blemish, but so far all the items that I received from them are like factory new, brand new, retail, not even open, with the plastic wrap, everything. Okay, so unfortunately some of the stuff that I want to buy from here, they don't have shipped to home, and there's no stores nearby where I live, so where I can pick it up. Look at this impact right here, the 1/2 inch. I have this one, and let me tell you, if you go back and check my other videos where I use this one to remove the lug nuts on my Acura RL. It's amazing. It's like butter. Okay, I no longer have any air compressor, none of that stuff. I put it away. Everything, it's just cordless now. And the good thing about, if you buy like, I don't recommend buying factory conditions, because it does not qualify for the LSA, which is the lifetime service agreement. And reason why that I go with Ridgid is because of the lifetime service agreement. But all in all, since all of my the stuff that I bought are like new, it's been working fine, so no issue. So I don't have a chance to actually use LSA, but eventually, but whenever one of the tools break down, the battery, something like that, where I gotta go through the service, I would do a video and explain to you guys how the process is, whether it's easy, quick, or they give me a hard time, you know, all that stuff. Okay, but for now, just look at all this, like this grinder here, $69. Look at this battery. This one, I thought they already discontinued since they come in with the I think the Max version. But this, I guess, maybe old stock, new old stocks or something. But I would have bought it if they have it shipped to home, but they don't. Again, look at all this stuff right here. If you're into Ridgid stuff, this is a good chance, you know, a good sale promotion that you should take advantage of. Check this out right here too. Recondition. I have this light right here, and let me tell you, it's super bright. And I do have a dual charger here too, but I have most of it. Let's see what else. They have a tons of deals on Ridgid, guys. So That's pretty much it for this video. You guys like the video, please give it a like, subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.